we're back with another video today. Like I said, I bought too much on Temu. So, we got 4 packages from Temu today. 1, 2, no, wait a minute. We got 3. Yeah, we got 3. Yeah. No, 4. Yeah, 4. 3. And 4. Okay, we're going to put these all down. And I think I know what we're going to go with first. And we're going to go with this one. I think I know what this one is. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It says, back off, bumper humper. My brakes are good. How's your insurance? This is something you could definitely put on the back of your car and say that. Yeah, this is for my daddy. That's for daddy. Yeah, I like that. Okay. We're going to go with the second one. The second one, I'm going to have to get a frame for this one. So, yeah, I'm going to have to get a frame for this one. Yeah, definitely. A frame or some screws. And it is this right here. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or in all of you be still? Will I stand in your presence? Or to my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? I like this. Even though I didn't get all the words to it. I like it. So I'm going to have to do something. Yeah, it's going to have to be. Maybe I can frame it like this. I'm not sure. I'm going to see. Wait for my other ones to come in. Okay, we're going to cut into this one. Because this one is taped really, really good. Oh, y'all remember the tumbler, the 40 ounce that I got yesterday? This is in mug form. And I'm going to do it like this. It is so pretty. I love it. And it's a pretty good size mug. And like I said, it's on this side if you're righty, or this side if you're lefty. Okay, I'm going to put it right there. Oh, I love it. I love that song. Like I said, that song is my favorite. Can't wait to see them in March. This will be my second time seeing Mercy Me. Okay, now we got the last one right here. But I take imperfections, and that's what that sign was. It's a little bit of an imperfection. But I got to figure out where to put everything. Because I do want to hang up more stuff. Okay, yeah, we got, oh, I got a little thank you card and a postcard. Oh, my God. Okay, I think I know what this one is. Yep. Ow! I'm going to have to put this back in the box for springtime. Yeah, that's the hanging. I gotta make sure I put it all together before I actually show it. And get everything out. And keep the box. This is a solar bird feeder. It's cute. Because right here is the little solar panel. You let it sit up for so many hours, like all day. Oh, it's so pretty. And comes with instructions, which I love. You got to turn the switch on to solar. On the solar lights. Where's the on switch? Where's the on switch? Let me look and see if they got any more instructions. Like a diagram. Okay, I'm gonna see about this. Where's the on switch? I know this has got to be taken off. It's a little plastic. Oh, it lifts up like that. Oh, okay, okay. I had it wrong. It lifts up by the top. Look and see. Okay, the on switch is right here. Switch it on or off. See? Oh. Okay. See this little switch right here? It'll cut on. You switch it like that, so you just gotta do it like that and like that. You fill your bird feeder up, plop this back on it. Voila, we'll be ready for it in the springtime. So I like this. This is so vintage. I'm gonna put the instructions back in here so I won't forget. And I'm going to put the handles to the side because it wants to stick out now when I put it back in the box. And I'm going to put the box in with the hummingbird stuff so I know to do it in the spring or in March. In March, usually March. Okay, so that is it. Trying to look and see what I can put in the trash without doing one trip. I think I got it. Okay, yeah, got it. Let's see, I got a little postcard right here. Let's see. Dear pet parents. Oh, it's a little cute little thing. Oh. Oh, I love it. And I especially love, I can only imagine. And I do love this. I think I'm going to hang this up in the living room. I think I'm going to hang this up in the living room. And it is pretty. It's a pretty picture. And it's got its little imperfections. But I love imperfections. But we'll see whenever I get the other stuff in. I do want to do some more hanging up stuff in the living room. And this is for Daddy to tell all the drivers don't mess with me. And you know, whenever we get a new mug, we donate the other mug. So, and all the mugs and stuff, they go to Goodwill. And don't forget, y'all, hydrate. Hydration is key. So, y'all be good. Y'all be sweet. And cheers.